Zimbabwe Electricity Supply Authority switches off State House. Azvipere mushe vanhu voshamisika kuti waiziti vakunanezesa vodzima magetsi kuState House. Yes, magetsi anga ashayikwa kune dzimwe nzvimbo dzese, asi vanhu kuzosvika vonodzimira magetsi kuState House. Vanhu vavhunduka nechiitiko ichi charaiza maspeculations kuti why are they doing so. Sanamira mashuka mudanyo pana mudumbu wa subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti mina vana pa mune pamuchinzi. Harare was plunged into darkness Monday night as a widespread power blackout engulfed the Central Business District (CBD), including critical government facilities such as State House, Zimbabwe House, and the President's office. The unannounced power cut, lasting over 2 hours, has highlighted Zimbabwe's worsening energy crisis and its far-reaching consequences. The outage, which is struck at 10 p.m., left the capital feeling silent and shrouded in ink blackness, with faint glimmers of light from generators and solar installations punctuating the city's skyline. Landmarks like the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe building became shadowed, seal house wildlife in the streets, and blacked out traffic lights revealed the city's vulnerability to its collapsing infrastructure. Instead of holding the government accountable, Parliament issued an apology to Mnangagwa, sparking public criticism and questions about the misplaced priorities. Tomashoko anobuda panapa achinyorwa nevanhu vachiti awaidziti vakomana aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe kuti chii chinenge chinozoitika kuti vanosvika pakudzimira mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe magetsi zvatakuona kuti kanga kechipiri chitiko chichiitika zvakuoneka kuti vakomana vane misplaced priorities. They prioritize kusasa mapockets avo nekutengera luxurious vehicles, but the state of the country ichingoramba iringori in a sorrow state. Tudze mafungiro enyu matikude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.